If you're a content creator and you've been wondering what the best AI tools are for you to create your content, well, this is the video for you. But before we get started, kindly remember to hit that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Without wasting time, let's get started. First is lip syncing with AI, and for this I absolutely love Runway ML. Getting started with it is just as simple. All you need to do is sign up with your Google account, and after that, once you're here, the next thing that you need to do is just scroll down to the lip sync video feature. A new window will open up, and here you can go ahead and create your own audio file, or you can upload an audio file that you already have. So since I already have an audio file that I want to use, I'll just go ahead and click upload, and I'm going to upload my audio file. And next you can go ahead and upload a video or the photo or image that you want to lip sync. So I'm just going to upload an image. Once you've uploaded both, the next thing that you need to do is just go ahead and hit generate. So this is just going to take a couple of minutes to generate your lip sync video. So now here's our video. You can just play it a bit. Use your AI model based on the API key that you may have. For instance, if you have an OpenAI API, so there we have our lip synced video. Remember, you can also use a video instead of an image. So you can animate your video, then bring it to Runway to lip sync it. The next AI tool that I love for lip syncing is Hedra AI. The reason I love this tool is that it has very realistic movement when it comes to lip syncing. So you can access this through your Google account or just an email that you have. So just like in Runway, you can go ahead and generate your own audio. They have a number of voiceovers that you can choose from. So you can input your script over here, then go ahead and choose the voiceover that you want to choose. Or you can go ahead and record your voice or upload your own. So I have uploaded an audio. Now with this tool, you'll be able to create videos that are up to 30 seconds long. With Runway, you'll be able to create videos that are up to 21 seconds long. So I'm just going to use this audio file that I uploaded. And next you can go ahead and upload your own image, or you can generate one using Hedra AI. So this is an image that I generated with Hedra AI. For the image generation, all you need is a very simple prompt. For instance, I just said I need a woman singing. I'll just start and it gave me this image. So next I'll just hit generate. Now generation with this tool is quite fast, just like in Runway. So we'll just go ahead and look at our new video.
Hold you close tonight, underneath the stars.
As you can see, the lip sync is really good. The only thing that I do not like about this tool is that you do not have the freedom to choose your own aspect ratio. So hopefully this is something they'll change in future. When it comes to script writing, the tool I always use is ChatGPT. This is not only free, but you can get very quality content from this depending on how you prompt. So let's go ahead and create a script for a children's story. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to input a prompt for a story, and I'm just going to tell it the specific type of story that I want. So I'm just going to input all that in the prompt. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate this as a story. So we are just going to give it a minute to go ahead and generate the story. Now that the story is ready, you can go through it. Just make sure that it's up to standard. Make sure it's what you actually want. And once you've confirmed that, the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm just going to give a simple command to convert this story into a script. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to hit enter. So this is just going to take a few minutes to convert the story as a script. As you can see, it's already created the characters. Next, it's going to create all the scenes for my story. And as you can see, all the scenes have been created and the script is absolutely ready. And it's the same exact story that we had earlier. Now, you can go ahead and do this right off the bat, but I like creating my story first before creating the script. Once this is ready, you can just copy and paste it to your video generator and you'll just have your story. So let's just do that. When it comes to generation of videos, I absolutely love LTX Studio. This is because LTX Studio will create the entire video for you automatically. So you can choose to start with a prompt, or you can go ahead and input a script that you already have. You can also choose to start from scratch. Now, we've already created a script in ChatGPT, so I'm just going to go back there and I'm going to copy the script. Back in LTX Studio, I'll choose Visualize Your Concept option. So once you're here, you can go ahead and upload a file, but I'm just going to paste the entire script over here. Once that is done, all you need to do at this point is click on Next. Now LTX Studio will start creating all your characters. So at this point, you can choose the style of video that you want. So there are a number of styles that you can choose from. So I'm just going to choose the 3D model, and you can also choose to input a reference style. Next, I'm going to choose an aspect ratio of 16:9. And after that is set up, then you can just go ahead and hit next. Now here we have a breakdown of the entire story. So you can just go through the breakdown and see. If you do not like anything, you can just go ahead and edit it. So if you do not like anything in a particular scene, just go to the edit button and you can choose to edit it. You can choose to change the scene location. You can choose to change anything within that scene, including the voiceover. And once that is all done, you can just go ahead and click on start. At this point, LTX Studio will create the storyboard for your entire video. So it's doing this scene by scene, and in each scene you have several shots. So at this point, you can also go ahead and edit anything you do not like. So here we have our cast members. If you're satisfied, just go ahead and leave that alone. You can also choose the soundtrack that you want. Then the next thing you can choose is the voiceover. If you want a narrator or a character, you can go ahead and choose the voiceover for them. You can also go through the entire storyboard just to make sure that everything is patchy. If you do not like a particular image, you can always regenerate it. You can also change the shot, maybe from a medium to an extreme up close. You can also change the prompt that's used to create the particular images. So once you go through everything and you find that it's as you would like, then you have to go ahead and now generate the videos. So just go ahead and click on generate video for all the shots. So once all the videos have been generated, you can also go through each and every particular video just to make sure it's up to standard. And if you do not like any particular video, you can always regenerate it as well. So once all that has been done and you're totally satisfied with the quality of videos that you have, the next thing that you can do is just go ahead and export. But I like to go ahead and preview just to make sure that everything is okay. So I'll just go ahead and hit preview. Now it looks like we forgot to generate a video in one of the shots, so I'm just going to hit generate all. Again, I'll just go ahead and preview all this. So here you can just play the video to see how it turns out, all of it. Now, if everything is up to standard, you can go ahead and download your video or export it to whichever form that you want. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click on export, and I'm going to export this as an MP4 video. So I'm just going to download this. So that's just going to download directly to your computer. Another tool that I absolutely love for video generation is InVideo AI. Again, with this tool, all you have to do is input a basic idea of what you want to create. So for instance, I'm just going to input an idea for a YouTube video. Once that is done, I'm just going to click on generate video. So the next thing, you're just going to answer a couple of questions. And once that is set up, you can go ahead and click on continue. So at this point, InVideo AI will take a few minutes to generate your video. Once the video has been created, you have a couple of options. For instance, you can go ahead and edit out your video. So you can go ahead and edit the media that has been used in your video. You can go ahead and change the images that have been used. So you can go ahead and upload your own and use that instead. You can also choose to edit the script. So if there's any part of the script that you do not like, you can go ahead and change it at this point. You can also choose to change the narrator. The other thing that you can do is edit the music. You can choose different music from the one that has been given. Next, you can choose the download settings that you want for your video. So you can go ahead and edit that as well. Choose the settings that you want. And once you're satisfied, all you need to do is click on continue. Now, your video is going to be rendered and you're going to have your video ready for download. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.